So welcome guys, welcome to Technology YouTube channel. This video we are going to see how you can download VMware Workstation Pro officially. So first open any browser of your choice and type VMware Workstation download. Click on the first VMware blogs website and here you have to just scroll down a bit and you will see the VMware Workstation Pro download link. Click on this. Here you see this transferred the VMware side to the Broadcom side. So the VMware had been brought by the Broadcom. So first you have to register to the Broadcom side, then you have to log in. Okay, so click on the register. From here you can register yourself to the email address, then follow it. So after registration, I have already registered. So click on the enter your username, then click on next. Next. And now you have to provide your password. So what you have filled in the registration, when you do the registration, what you have filled the password, you have to provide it. So I will provide it and then click on sign in. So after login, you will see this page. From here you can download the VMware Workstation Pro for Windows 17.0 or for personal use for Windows for Linux. So I will click on the second one, and from here the latest release 17.6. So after this, you have to accept the terms and conditions, check the box here. I've already accepted. So then this red button become available, then click on it and you have to verify. There is a verification process there. From here, enter the entries that are required. In this page, fill the entries that are required, then click on submit. So after you fill, so after you fill the fields and submitted, you will see this website again, and then you have to click on this HTTPS download button, and finally now it will download. So after the installation, click on the exe file and then run it. The VMware Launcher Workstation Pro setup will be opened. Then click next and accept the conditions. Click next. and take this button, it will automatically edit the path. Then click on the next. Click next. If you want the shortcuts, you can tick the boxes. Click next and then click on the install. I have already installed it. Why I have just upgraded it. So after the installation, it will even provide the license key. Click on the license key here, and for it, you just have to go to your browser and type VMware Workstation license keys. And click on the first GitHub page, and from here you will see the license keys. Copy them, then paste it here, and click enter. Click on finish, and then it will ask you to restart your system. So after that, when the VMware open it, the VMware Workstation Pro will be finally open, and click on help, click on this about section. You will see license, and you will use it for lifetime. This is how you can install the VMware Workstation.